My name is Simon Pinter. I'm a senior application engineer on the digital manufacturing team at GoEngineer. I specialize in all of the different 3D printing hardware and solutions that GoEngineer offers, and I work out of the Pleasant Ridge, Michigan office. That is our flagship showroom, as well as one of the focus locations for our 3D printing service bureau. So here in our facility, we run a lot of FDM systems. Many of them are in the F123 series. We've got quite a few F370 printers. We print tons of parts using QSR soluble support. But a big component of our business are our large format printers. So we've got 3 F900s, 4 Fortis 450 MCs, an F3300, and an F770. All of these systems are often running soluble supports, and we need a way to get those supports off quickly, and we need a way to do that without completely waterlogging, especially sparse FDM parts that are really big. So instead of using a dunk tank, the old school bathtub, we have a PostProcess Technologies BASE system. It's large enough for full-size parts coming off of any of our large format machines. It processes those parts very rapidly. Rather than taking a bath, they're taking a shower. And when we're printing sparse large parts, it means less moisture is getting into the geometry, meaning after the cleaning and support removal process, we need to spend less time soaking in fresh water and get parts out to customers faster.